A new testimony is shedding light on what happened the night 17-year-old Justice Dunham was shot and killed outside a high school basketball game in December. A Newport News police officer and detective testified in a hearing for Damari Batten today, and Ann Sparacco tells us what they said.
Family members of Damari Batten cried as they sat behind the 18-year-old during his hearing on second-degree murder charges. A Newport News police detective testified in court saying he interviewed Batten shortly after the shooting outside Menchville High School back in December. The detective says Batten left the game early to avoid a group of people. As he waited by his friend's car, he says someone came over and started attacking him. Out of fear someone would try to use his gun, Batten grabbed it from the car. He told detectives when someone opened the driver's side door, that's when he shot in the direction to scare them away, but he ended up shooting and killing 17-year-old Justice Dunham. Batten's attorney, James Roccoletti, asked the judge to dismiss the charge against Batten and replace it with voluntary manslaughter. The judge denied it, saying it's too early in the court process, and he says Batten's family hoped for reduced charges.
They're very distraught. They were hoping that the court would accept the argument that we made and either dismiss or reduce some of the charges, but obviously they're very optimistic about moving forward and determined to move forward.
The detectives say Batten told him he did not see any of the other people, including Dunham, have any kind of weapon on them at the time. Reporting in Newport News, Ann Sparacco for 13 News Now.
The officer who testified said Batten cooperated with police at the scene. Batten is due in court again April 11th.